The kidneys are the silent guardians of our health, often neglected until something goes wrong. It's possible to take care of them naturally and avoid kidney failure. Imagine waking up every night to urinate, feeling unexplained fatigue, and losing weight for no apparent reason. These are warning signs that cannot be ignored. Fortunately, with the right diet, healthy habits, and a few simple changes in routine, it's possible to ensure the proper functioning of the kidneys. Holding in the urge to urinate, overindulging in salt and sugar, and using medications incorrectly are traps for kidney health. Anti-inflammatory drugs and antibiotics used incorrectly can cause serious damage. Knowing safe alternatives is essential. Get ready to discover how to keep your kidneys healthy and prevent problems before they become uncontrollable. Keep reading and become the true guardian of your kidneys. The importance of natural kidney care. Taking care of the kidneys is an essential practice that often goes unnoticed until serious problems arise. Imagine the kidneys as filters in a sophisticated machine. Keeping these filters clean and functional is vital for overall health. There are various natural ways to ensure your kidneys remain healthy and operational. Simple practices, like drinking water regularly and adopting a balanced diet, make a significant difference in preventing kidney problems. Small lifestyle changes can prevent major complications in the future. Detecting kidney problems early can seem challenging, but it is entirely possible with proper attention and knowledge. The key lies in observing subtle symptoms and undergoing regular checkups. For example, noticing persistent swelling or changes in urine can signal that something isn't working as it should. Additionally, regular medical checkups help monitor kidney health and identify any anomalies before they become serious. This way, early interventions can be made to prevent the progression to kidney failure. Opting for natural kidney care methods involves a series of healthy practices that benefit the entire body. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, is one of these practices. Additionally, incorporating anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric into your diet can help protect the kidneys from damage. These foods not only nourish the body but also help maintain an internal balance that favors kidney health. Adopting healthy habits doesn't have to be complicated and can start with small changes in daily routines. Maintaining kidney health goes beyond diet and includes daily habits like regular physical exercise and stress reduction. Physical activities help keep blood pressure under control, which is crucial for kidney health. Additionally, relaxation techniques such as meditation and yoga can help reduce stress, a contributing factor to kidney problems. Incorporating these habits into daily routines not only improves kidney health but also promotes overall well-being, creating a positive cycle of integral health. Early symptoms of kidney failure. The early signs of kidney failure can be subtle and easily confused with other conditions, but it is crucial to pay attention to them to act quickly. One of the most common symptoms is frequent urination at night. This occurs because the kidneys are not efficiently filtering waste, causing an increase in urine production. If you find yourself getting up several times during the night to urinate, it can be a warning sign. Consulting a doctor at this stage can make all the difference. Constant fatigue and muscle weakness are other early signs that something may be wrong with the kidneys. These symptoms occur because compromised kidneys cannot produce adequate amounts of erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cells. As a result, anemia occurs, leading to feelings of fatigue and weakness. It's easy to attribute these symptoms to stress or lack of sleep, but if they persist, it is important to consider kidney health and seek medical advice. Unexplained weight loss and mood changes can also indicate kidney failure. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, the body may begin to lose weight unintentionally due to loss of appetite and poor nutrient absorption. Additionally, the accumulation of toxins in the blood can affect the brain, causing irritability and mood changes. Recognizing these symptoms and relating them to kidney function can help identify problems early and take steps to protect health. Anemia and changes in urine color are additional signs that should not be ignored. Anemia occurs because diseased kidneys produce less erythropoietin, leading to a decrease in red blood cells. Additionally, changes in urine color, such as foamy or dark urine, may indicate the presence of proteins or blood, suggesting kidney damage. Paying attention to these symptoms and acting quickly can prevent the progression of kidney failure, allowing for timely preventive measures and appropriate treatments. Beneficial foods and habits. Diet plays a fundamental role in maintaining kidney health. Incorporating antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables into the diet is an excellent way to protect these vital organs. Foods like blueberries, strawberries, and spinach are rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Additionally, these foods are delicious and easy to include in any meal, whether as a quick snack or in a nutritious salad. Anti-inflammatory spices, such as turmeric, are also extremely beneficial for kidney health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent that can help reduce kidney inflammation and prevent further damage. You can add turmeric to soups, sauces, and even smoothies, making healthy eating even more flavorful. Small adjustments in the kitchen can have a significant impact on long-term kidney health. Drinking enough water is another essential practice for keeping the kidneys healthy. Proper hydration helps the kidneys efficiently remove waste and toxins from the body. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, but this amount may vary depending on the climate and level of physical activity. Additionally, it is important to distribute water intake throughout the day to ensure constant hydration. By staying well hydrated, you help your kidneys function at their best. In addition to food and hydration, some daily habits can also contribute to kidney health. Regular physical exercise helps keep blood pressure under control, which is crucial for kidney function. Activities like walking, cycling, or yoga are excellent choices. Additionally, avoiding excessive consumption of salt and sugar can prevent the development of hypertension and diabetes, which are risk factors for kidney failure. Small changes in daily habits can have a significant impact on kidney health and overall well-being. Harmful habits for the kidneys. Some everyday habits can be extremely harmful to the kidneys, even without us realizing the risks. A classic example is the habit of holding urine for long periods. Doing so puts excessive pressure on the kidneys and can lead to recurrent urinary tract infections, which over time can cause permanent kidney damage. Therefore, it is essential to listen to your body and go to the bathroom whenever necessary. Simply attending to these physiological needs can make a big difference in kidney health. Sedentary lifestyle is another enemy of the kidneys. Lack of physical activity contributes to increased blood pressure and toxin buildup in the body. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine not only improves blood circulation but also helps the kidneys function more efficiently. You don't need to enroll in a gym for this. Simple activities like daily walks, stretching, or even dancing at home can bring great benefits. The important thing is to keep the body moving and active. Abuse of salt and sugar is another harmful habit that many people practice without realizing the risks. Excessive salt consumption can raise blood pressure, putting additional strain on the kidneys. Similarly, excess sugar can lead to diabetes, one of the main causes of kidney failure. Reducing the amount of salt and sugar in the diet, opting for natural seasonings and healthy sweeteners, can prevent a series of kidney problems and improve overall health. Small daily substitutions make a huge difference. Excessive consumption of red meat and alcohol is also highly detrimental to the kidneys. Red meats, when consumed in large quantities, can lead to the buildup of nitrogenous waste, making it harder for the kidneys to work. Alcohol, on the other hand, not only dehydrates the body but can also cause direct kidney damage. Moderating the consumption of both is essential to preserve kidney function. Opting for lighter protein sources, such as fish and legumes, and drinking alcohol in moderation, are practical measures that can help keep the kidneys healthy for longer. Medications that can damage the kidneys. The improper use of certain medications can be extremely harmful to the kidneys. Anti-inflammatory drugs, for example, are often used to relieve pain and inflammation, but their prolonged use or high doses can cause significant kidney damage. It is essential to follow medical guidelines and avoid self-medication. Replacing these medications with natural alternatives, such as warm compresses or massages, can be an effective way to relieve pain without harming the kidneys. Antibiotics, although essential for fighting infections, can also negatively affect the kidneys if not used correctly. Excessive use or failure to complete the full course of antibiotics can lead to bacterial resistance and kidney damage. It is important to always consult a doctor before starting any antibiotic treatment and to follow prescriptions strictly. Taking preventive measures, such as maintaining good hygiene and a healthy lifestyle, can reduce the need for these medications. In addition to anti-inflammatory drugs and antibiotics, other medications such as diuretics and ACE inhibitors, used to control blood pressure, can overload the kidneys if not administered correctly. These medications are essential for many people, but it is crucial to regularly monitor kidney function and adjust doses as needed. Periodic blood tests to check kidney health can help prevent serious complications and ensure that treatment is safe and effective. Finally, dietary supplements and natural remedies, often seen as harmless, can also pose risks to the kidneys if used improperly. Some supplements contain ingredients that can cause kidney damage, especially when combined with other medications. It is always advisable to discuss any new supplement with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. Adopting a cautious and well-informed approach can protect the kidneys and promote optimal health. The kidneys are the silent guardians of our health, often neglected until something goes wrong. It's possible to take care of them naturally and avoid kidney failure. Imagine waking up every night to urinate, feeling unexplained fatigue, and losing weight for no apparent reason. These are warning signs that cannot be ignored. Fortunately, with the right diet, healthy habits, and a few simple changes in routine, it's possible to ensure the proper functioning of the kidneys. Holding in the urge to urinate, overindulging in salt and sugar, and using medications incorrectly are traps for kidney health. Anti-inflammatory drugs and antibiotics used incorrectly can cause serious damage. Knowing safe alternatives is essential. Get ready to discover how to keep your kidneys healthy and prevent problems before they become uncontrollable. Keep reading and become the true guardian of your kidneys.